There's a lot more pressures for innovation within the energy system than there probably has been in the past for many decades. We know that with the rising demand pressures, we need to bring on lots more energy supply. But what we expect to see is that there'll be a greater variety and mix within the energy system in the future than we've seen in the past. In the past, it's been quite dominated by fossil energy, and we expect that not to go away completely for a very long time. But when you get a greater mix, then you probably find that there are some niches and some applications that are better suited for some of the new energy options than others. The United States has a lot of options available to it, but in a more crowded part of the world like Europe, we might have to look at playing to our strengths, where we use the sun in the Mediterranean and we use the sea off the coast of Britain, for example. There are countries like Japan which have fewer options, and they still might need to be importing energy, whilst countries like Brazil probably have more available indigenously. We expect to see still quite a globalised energy market. We don't expect things to be done entirely locally. The globalisation trend is a very strong one. A lot of the technologies are helping to link us in so that we can learn more and more together about how these things work. And some of the more ambitious plans even have us importing things like equatorial sunshine via long-distance transmission wires to the north of Europe from North Africa. So if that all works, that'll again not be something for tomorrow, and it'll be for the longer term, but that'll be an example of things where we expect to see greater interlinkages across the system and across countries.